Welcome to day 5 of the 30-day Listening Bootcamp. Today, we are unlocking a cheat code that will multiply your Japanese input by 10, passive listening. Right now, you probably only listen to Japanese when you are sitting at your desk, holding a pen, and staring at a textbook. That is called active listening. It is like lifting heavy weights at the gym for your brain. It builds muscle, but it drains your energy fast. You can only do it for an hour before you burn out. But to master a language, your brain needs massive volume. You need passive listening. This is like getting your daily steps in. It requires zero extra time. You simply put on a Japanese podcast, an audiobook, or the news while you are commuting, doing chores, or hitting the gym. And here is the secret. You don't even need to understand every word. The goal of passive listening is not comprehension. It is immersion. You are letting your subconscious brain absorb the natural rhythm, the speed, and the pitch accent of the language while your conscious mind is busy doing something else. Your homework for today. Create a passive listening playlist on YouTube or Spotify. Put on your headphones and listen to it for 30 minutes today while doing your daily tasks. See you on day 6.